You are standing in your kitchen staring at that thin line of black gunk between the tiles. You are wondering if a toothbrush and a bottle of toxic chemicals are really your only options. I have been looking into a heavy-duty canister steam cleaner. It promises to blast through that grime using nothing but the power of water. It is a substantial machine. It looks more like a small industrial vacuum than a traditional mop. This unit gets the water incredibly hot. We are talking about temperatures well over 200 degrees. That kind of heat creates a pressurized blast. It melts grease almost on contact. It works on your stovetop. It works on your subscum shower doors. It even works on your grimy patio furniture. The biggest draw here is the water tank capacity. Most of those little handheld steamers run out of water in about 10 minutes. You end up spending more time at the kitchen sink than you do actually cleaning anything. This beast gives you 2 full hours of continuous steam. You could honestly clean your entire home and probably your neighbor's house too. You can do all that without stopping for a refill. But there is a massive trade-off for all that power. You have to be patient. It takes about 12 minutes just to heat up to the right temperature. That feels like an absolute eternity when you finally have the motivation to start cleaning. You cannot just grab it for a quick 5-minute spill. It is a total commitment. It is quite a chore to move around. It has wheels and a long hose. However, it is undeniably bulky and heavy. If you live in a tiny apartment with limited closet space, this thing might end up becoming a permanent piece of furniture. It comes with a massive bag of tricks though. There are over 20 different attachments included in the box. You get specialized brushes for grout. You get squeegees for windows. There are even angled nozzles for those tight corners behind the toilet. It feels like an all-in-one kit designed to replace half the chemical bottles under your sink. You do have to be very careful with it. This is not meant for your plush carpets or your delicate wood finishes. The heat and moisture are incredibly intense. If you use it incorrectly, you might warp a surface. You might even leave a soggy mess behind. Also, do not just toss in common tap water and forget about it. Mineral deposits will build up inside the tank very quickly. This can ruin the heating element. You have to descale it regularly if you want it to last. It is a serious tool for serious cleaning. It is not for the person who just wants to wipe down a counter. It is for the person who wants to strip years of grease off a grill. It is for the person who wants to make a bathroom floor look brand new. You get a solid 2-year warranty for some much-needed peace of mind. It really comes down to how much you want to avoid chemicals. If you are tired of the fumes and the endless scrubbing, this is a heavy hitter. It takes some muscle to maneuver. It is not exactly effortless, but it beats scrubbing on your hands and knees. You just have to decide if you have the patience for that slow warm-up. You also need the space to store a tank this size. For those deep cleaning marathons, it is hard to beat the raw power of that high-pressure steam.